Raising money for sport relief can take many forms, but how do you combine it with an attempt to set a world record? The answer can be found here in Brentwood, home of the Essex Dog Display Team. With a combination of willing human volunteers and 2 talented rescue dogs, it's hoped that a new world record can be set, as director Roy Dyer explains.
The world record we're going to attempt today is about dogs walking over people's backs. May sound a bit strange, but people are taking up a position in leapfrog fashion, and we hope to have 150 people doing this, and the dogs are just going to trot along their backs. Now, we currently hold the world record at 147. Today we're going for at least 150.
Whilst the Essex Dog Display Team feature a number of breeds in their public displays, 2 of their smallest team members have been selected for this task.
We've selected 2 particularly small dogs for this exercise. One's a little Yorkshire Terrier, which is rather nice for a dog. He's 10 years old. And the other one's a Beagle Jack Russell cross called Maggie. Super little dog, very happy. And the way they're going to do walking across the backs, it gives them quite a strong feeling of power almost. So it's something the dogs will enjoy doing.
It should be a fun challenge for the dogs concerned and their respective handlers.
This is little Maggie. She's about 2. I've had her for about 1.5 years. I'm still training her at the moment. I'm quietly confident that she can do it, but she has got a lot of speed, so my only problem will be is calming her down to do it a lot slower than normal. She's used to agility. She jumps through hoops of fire. She sits on my back while I ride a bike. As I say, she does walk on people's backs. She does about 15, 20 at the moment, so, but she's just a real cheeky character.
This is Ollie. He's 10 years old, and I'm quietly confident he'll do this world record attempt. He's been doing the displays for about 7 years now, and he does back walks for all them 7 years, so he's quite confident with it, so just get him under control and hopefully he'll do it.
To achieve this task, the dogs need to be fully focused by their handler, and the volunteers taking part today, all in non-slip coats, must provide a steady platform for the successful record attempt of more than 147 backs passed.
Volunteers today have come from the Essex Dog Training Centre, where we're actually holding the event, but they've also come by local newspaper publicity and local radio station publicity, so predominantly throughout the county of Essex.
Before starting the record attempt, volunteers practice taking up their positions and, in some cases, running forwards to extend the line for the dogs to continue their walk. Many volunteers sponsored the challenge personally to raise money for sport relief, and the display team also managed to get commercial backing.
Today we're supported by Scott Miles Interiors. It's quite a large company, a newish company in Brentwood, and they're actually giving us £10 for every back the dog walks over. So 150, £10, you do the adding up or the maths.
So with everyone ready, first it was Ollie's turn to walk the course.
Doing this exercise, the dogs will find it quite easy actually, because they're used to running up and down hillsides through forests, doing agility, jumping over all sorts of things. So the actual exercise is not terribly difficult.
Yeah, good boy. It just happens that we could do if you are a world record holder. Right. Good boy. Now Ollie takes it very steady. Maggie goes a lot quicker than this. So good job. I think he's going to slow down a little bit.
Good boy. Hello.
You can see what number on, you should get a number on the fence here somewhere. It's not here. What's that? 100, is it? Or, this is 100. Okay, great. Okay, don't forget, tuck your heads in, guys. Tuck your heads in.
Good boy, walk away.
Here it comes, he's on his way. He gets for everyone he goes over. Okay, Ollie's just gone over 100 bats. He's now gone over 100 bats. Doing really well at the moment. Doing really well.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
So,
Gina, how many? Gina. You've got 158.
and that's it, yes, we did it! Yes, we did it! Brilliant! We actually did 160.
Congratulations to Ollie. Now it's Maggie's turn.
Maggie, steady, steady. Maggie, wait.
Sit down here, all right, that's it.
That is all going down like every 20. This is just wait for roar along 100 miles an hour.
Maggie, on. Wait.
Don't get once you've been over your bag, count to 5 and then stand up.
Dogs come in, baby. Come on, baby. Nice step back, big horses on their way.
Doing really well. Here comes like the A team now, get the position, look at them.
Good girl. Steady. Maggie, no, Maggie.
You just steady, kid. If this dog, if we let this dog go, she can run over this. But there's always a little risk for her if she goes round bends, because although she's normally okay on the ground, cornering might be a little bit difficult over people's backs. Doing well so far. And so they have a rest. She's not even puppy in there, so look at her. Doing so well. A little dog that somebody really abused that is taking but we never know. Could end up with a world record holder.
Steady on. Steady.
Good girl. Dan's doing really well, bless her. Look at this. And again, because this is hard work, this dog runs around 24 hours a day if she could. So, relatively simple for her to do.
Good girl.
Here she goes. We've done 100. We're now on about 105. Doing really well. Happy waggy tail. Look at that, it's great, isn't it? If you all know dogs wag their tail for many reasons, and this is a happy wag. Okay, we're getting there. Not sure what number we're on yet, so. '61, '62 and 163! Brilliant! Absolutely brilliant. Well done.
I was very pleased today because not only did we break the world record, which was 147, and we've raised well over £2,000 so far, so really delighted, and all those funds will be going to sports relief. I really can't thank people enough for the time they spent here doing this. There was quite a bit of standing about, but there was lots of fun in it, lots of people smiling, lots of people laughing, and they knew full well that the end result was all going to help charity.
With the record challenge complete, the final round of applause was for the 2 stars of the day, Ollie and Maggie.